Have you ever wondered why there are so many cameras in the Walmart aisles? Think about the complexity of those camera network systems. Let me tell you a secret. Some of these cameras are not real. These are called dummy cameras. This is to prevent theft. There is no way one can tell real one from fake one without taking them apart, since it's identical to the real camera. If disassembled, one can easily tell what's fake and what's real. Let's see what's inside these fake IP cameras. Inside, there is a battery pack and a LED flasher circuit. This is to mimic the real IP camera. But there is no camera sensor or image processing circuit inside. Its only purpose is to appear as a real one. That's why there is only a flasher circuit inside. The battery pack provides power to the flasher circuit. The flasher circuit is made with a timer IC. The output of this IC is connected to a LED. The LED is flashing during the timer intervals, mimicking the real IP camera LED. This is how a Walmart dummy camera works. Now you know what is inside a Walmart dummy camera. Subscribe for more videos like this.